Big YouTubers have one secret that everybody should know that will guarantee them success. Let's rewind for a second. I'm going to tell you a story. When I first started this channel on YouTube, I thought I knew everything. I'd just come off of another channel where it had done fairly well. It was an entertainment brand, thousands of views a day, and it was doing really, really well. I was working with other clients, I was working with other businesses, and I thought, great, I can start a YouTube channel immediately and it will blow up straight away. Just like you and many other YouTubers, I got all excited. I wrote down a load of video ideas, I spaffed them out there onto the YouTube ecosystem, and I got disillusioned very quickly. Somehow I forgot in my head that it's a new channel. I forgot in the back of my head that just because I've been on YouTube for 3, 4, 5, 6 years at that point, just because I've dealt with clients at this point, just because I've done some optimization work for a client and that their video does really, really well, doesn't guarantee that your video will do very, very well on your channel the first time you upload it. I'd been in the web design world for around about 8, 9, 10 years before I came to YouTube, and I was doing client work on the side. I was optimizing videos, I was uploading content, plugging them into their existing subscriber bases, and I did exactly what you may have done. You've looked at a channel with 20, 30, 50,000 subscribers, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million subscribers, and you see that they upload a video. It may even be a worse quality video than you have, and it explodes, and you're like, well, why can they do that and why can't I? Why can they put up a subpar video that's 3 minutes, 5 minutes of them talking crap, and I put up something highly polished and mine gets overlooked? What I started to realise was you need to understand the base of you, the base of your channel, the base of your future. The biggest secret to the big boys out there is 100 videos, 100 tries, 100 executions and failures. Over the last 7, 8 years, I personally have made easily 1,500 videos. Around about 400 of those are here. The others have been lost to time or got deleted or never even uploaded. But my first 100 videos is truly the most important to me and to any large YouTuber. The first 100 videos is the videos that teach you how to use things, teach you how to frame things, how to sort out the audio, how to light things, how to learn maybe quick ways of doing content. Hopefully you're enjoying this video, for example, but it's not my full setup, it's not my full background, it's me sat there for once being rather static, but it's still quality content, I'm still delivering value. What I've learnt is a way to deliver value to you quicker, faster, but still deliver wonderful content that you can engage in. Why is that important? If I make the bigger, wider tutorials, if I'm ranting and I'm raving, then that's a different set, that's a different atmosphere, you can understand what it is. But it also takes a little while longer to create. I have to put up additional light boxes, I have to edit a bit more, I have to zoom in, I have to zoom out. It will add 20-30 minutes to my setup and 20-30 minutes to my breakdown when I've done it at the end, which may be those 20-30 minutes that I didn't make those notes, that I didn't write that title, rewrite that title, rework that thumbnail. Optimization and perfection of your art is what makes the best YouTubers grow. Now, I'm no PewDiePie, I'm no Roberto Blake or Nick Nimmin, I'm not a master of mobile apps like D Nimmin, I'm not a social media expert like Desiree Martinez or an investment guru like Matt Haycox. But what I have learned from my own first 100 videos is how best to frame me, how best to title me, how best to thumbnail me, how best for me to teach you the knowledge that I have in my head, how I can entertain you, how I can keep you hooked and engaged with audience retention. What I've learned in my first 100 videos is how I can be a YouTuber online, not how I can copy another YouTuber to be online. Hopefully you look at me and you get my quirkiness, you get my weirdness, you get the every now and then, and here's a retro jump back, me rubbing my man nipples. That you won't see on Roberto's channel or Nick's channel, maybe D Nimmin. You get it from me, you get it from my personality. The first 100 videos is what teaches you who you are and how you can improve. That is how you guarantee your success. To make better videos, I've done a playlist here. Go out there, start creating.